بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Let's say
I'm getting to the non-Muslim
America
part.
elected
Okay.
a majority of Muslim representatives,
Okay.
and they finally said, we're going to have a caliphate here.
Okay.
As a non-Muslim, I would be taxed in ways a Muslim would not be.
So, a Muslim will be then taxed with what's called zakat.
Yeah.
Okay. A zakat goes towards helping the poor and running many of the welfare systems that we have today,
Okay.
helping those in need and things like this. A Muslim would have to pay that. As a non-Muslim, if you want to live in that land and benefit from the securities, the roads and all of that, then you will also have to pay into the system. But you cannot be forced to pay zakat because that is a religious obligation. So your portion will be called jizya. As a Muslim, I will pay into the system through zakat.
Yeah.
You will pay into the system through jizya. Okay? You are not taxed at a higher rate. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Oh, I
Okay.
see what you're saying.
Yeah.
What I would be paying as a Muslim, I will be paying as a non-Muslim.
Right, but as a Muslim, zakat is a religious obligation.
Got it.
And the Sharia does not allow Muslims to force an Islamic religious practice on non-Muslims.
Okay.
But you will have to also pay into the system that you're using, right?
Yeah.
If you don't use services, there'll be no taxes on you,
Right.
In the history of Islam, when there were non-Muslims living under the Khalifate, but they didn't get the security, the protection, the police force, the roads, then they were not made to pay jizya. Jizya is,
That's good. That's good.
make sense?
Yeah.
Good.
Another question.
Go ahead.
Unless you need to talk.
No, I'm here all day for you, bro.
Do you believe that there are prophecies about these caliphs that someday
Those that have already passed, or?
no
Okay.
future prophecies? So you know how many caliphs will be before the Mahdi?
So there is a hadith that there will be 12 all upon righteousness, okay? But some of them have already passed, for sure.
Yeah.
We cannot for sure say after the 4 or 5 in the earlier times, Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman, Ali, Hassan, maybe Umar ibn Abdul Aziz. After that, we cannot say for sure this was one of them or not, right? But we believe there will be more, inshallah, upon righteousness. And the Mahdi, who will be the last of them.
Okay.
But he's not already come. The whole
Now, you believe that you pronounce it Mahdi?
Mahdi. You pronounce it really well. You're
Okay.
good. Yeah.
You believe that the Mahdi will basically govern global Islam?
Well, so at that time, Mahdi will come, and there will be a man named Dajjal, who is the Antichrist.
Yes.
And he will actually try to take the Muslims of that time to security in what's called Hijaz, Mecca and Medina, and these areas
Yeah.
from Dajjal. We believe Isa, Jesus, will come, and he will actually kill Mahdi. He is the one that fights. He will kill Dajjal, sorry. So he will kill Dajjal, and Mahdi and Isa alayhi salam will together live in the Muslim community, and Mahdi will be the leader of all of the Muslims of that time.
And what would happen to Jesus then?
He will live as well,
They will live together.
yeah. We believe in Jesus as being a true prophet. We believe about his recoming. We don't believe he was killed. We believe Allah took him with his security. But we do believe there was a plot against him. We believe he was born of miraculous birth. We believe Mary was his mother. We don't believe he's a physical son of God. We don't believe God has children in the physical sense. You could say that he was somebody who believed and loved in God. And in that way, in Aramaic, you could be called a son, but that's only in a metaphor. For example, if you see a Catholic priest, you tell him, Father, forgive me for I have sinned, right? You don't mean he's actually having intercourse with your mother. You just mean that as a term of respect. An older person may come to somebody young who they love and they say, hey, son, right? Exactly. But that doesn't mean they're a physical son. I mean, if you look at the Bible, for example.
No, I'm with you on
We
that.
good?
By
All right,
the
good.
way, I'm Jay.
Jay, nice to meet you. How
is
you
your
doing,
name?
Michelle? Uthman. Abu Yusuf.
Joseph.
Abu Yusuf, the father of Yusuf, yes. My name is Uthman.
Uthman.
Yes, Uthman. Uthman.
Uthman.
Yes, Uthman. You're good, yeah. Uthman. Utha.
Oh, it is a TH.
Tha, yeah, the TH, yes.
Uthman.
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 Yeah, like oath.